Hello, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Okay, today in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to total up a quantity based on criteria given, alright? So, basically you have to, use function for auto calculate rather than you manually calculate, right? So, here's a few things you have to know. For the one criteria given, you have to use sum if, but if you have more than one criteria, you have to use SUMIFS function, right? So you have two tasks over here. For example, for the question number one, right? How many total quantity of glow queens? There is a criteria one, and January is criteria number two, right? So you have to use SUMIFS function in this case. So the next one, you have to use sum if because lower eye bracket is just the only criteria you have. So here you go. So the formula is sum if s and followed by sum range, which is column D, and then column A criteria range, and then you select January, or you can manually type January, and then followed by C column, which is product, and then followed by the next criteria is glow queens, right? So you got 2 on 1. Next one, for lower eye bracket, and month is all, so you, regardless what month it is. So the formula is more simpler than sum if s, right? So sum if, and then select the column where the lower eye bracket is located, which is column C, and followed by lower eye bracket, or you can select any cell that contain lower eye bracket word, and then select D column because you have to select the sum range, which is the total that you get from that column. Alright, so here we go. You get the answer 313. Right? So that's it. As simple as that. So I hope you guys learned something from this video and you can differentiate these two functions so that you know how to use it. Alright? So yeah. If you guys having more than two criteria, you still have to use SUMIFS function, right? As long as more than one. So I hope you learned something from video. Thank you for watching.